Well, I will end up the cyclic group discussion with following example. So today's first example is show that U20 is not a cyclic group. So first you have to see what do we mean by U20. U20 is the collection of all those elements which are co-prime with 20. That is GCD with 20 is 1. So in this collection I obtain these 8 elements. All these elements when are taken with 20, these will give me GCD as 1. And these are 8 elements. Therefore order of U20 is 8. Now I will prove that U20 has no elements of order 8, because if U20 has no elements of order 8, only then this group will be a cyclic group. For that I will visit to every element in the group. First I see that 1 is the identity element. Therefore I will start with 3. When you take power 4 for 3, you will get 1 as a remainder upon dividing by 20. Therefore order of 3 is 4. Similarly for 7 raised to 4 is 81. By congruent modulo multiplication addition operations, you will get 1 as again remainder when divided by 20. Similarly 9 square is 81, and 81 when divided by 20 will give you remainder 1. Therefore order of 9 is 2. Similarly 11 square 121 divided by 20, you will get remainder 1. Therefore order of 11 is 2. 13 square is 169. When divided by 20, you will get 9 as a remainder. You again take a square of this term. You will get square of 9 as 81. Again you divide it by 20. You will get remainder as 1. Therefore order 13 is 1. Order of 13 is 4. It is 4, not a 1. Similarly, order of 19 is 2. Order of 17 is again 4. So during whole discussion you will see that there is no element in U20 which is giving you the order as 8, because cyclic group must have an element of order of a group. Therefore that group will be a cyclic. But in this group there is no element of order 8. Therefore U20 is not a cyclic group. So this was an example of non-cyclic group. Now look at this again, one more set of nth roots of unity. This will form a cyclic group under multiplication. And for that I am going to take a set G is equal to e raised to 2k pi iota over n, where k lies between 0 and n minus 1. This is the nth roots of unity, and this forms an abelian group under multiplication. Now I will show that this whole group is generated by single element e raised to 2k pi iota over n. So you take a is equal to e raised to 2 pi iota over n. Then when you take n as 0, k as 0, you will get 1. Again this is a square, you will get one more element a cube, so on, a raised to n minus 1. So this is the nth element here. Similarly when you put this value of k as n, you will get the repetitive elements of this set, that is 1 a square once more. Therefore this group G is generated by a single element a, that is e raised to 2 pi iota over n. Hence this is a cyclic group of order n under multiplication. Let us have a look over one more beautiful example. If an abelian group of order 6 contains an element of order 3, then show that it must be a cyclic group. So look, in this example I am giving you an abelian group whose order is 6. And also I am giving you that this abelian group of order 6 contains an element of order 3. Then I am asking you to show that this must be a cyclic group. It means this group must have an element of order 6. What I will do, let G be an abelian group of order 6. Let A in G has an A in G is an element whose order is 3. Since G is a group of even number order, therefore G must contain an element of order 2. Let B belongs to G be an element in G whose order is 2. Since AB is equal to BA, why? Because this is an abelian group. It is given over here. Now order of A, order of B. When taken for GCD, you will get GCD as 1. Therefore, order of AB is equal to order of A into order of B. But order of A is 3 and order of B is 2. Therefore, order of AB is equal to 6. And this A into B is an element of G because of closure property of the group. Because I have taken A as an element of G, B is also an element of G. When I multiply these two elements, I will get again an element of G, and AB is an element of G. Therefore, order of AB is 6. And this element AB, whose order is 6, and also you see that order of G is also 6. At last you obtain an element in G whose order is the order of cyclic group. Therefore, G is a cyclic group generated by an element AB. Thank you.